Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 hour to make the best game ever. And last session we had big difficulties getting boost to compile with cmake. It doesn't work. It's broken to the core. So how about we search for Windows pre-compiled boost 1.71.0. Let's see, what do we have here? Boost. What msvc are we using here? Let's see. One 14.3. 14.3. That's 14.2. Okay, so let's download this one here. Put it here for now. Let's double check the file on virus total and make sure it's okay. Good. Then we open. Oh no, I didn't want to click it yet. Uh-oh. I first wanted to send it here. C local boost. Local boost. Why does it put it into local folder? Okay, let's do that then. Good. Then we go to our cmake file. Actually, let's open here cmake and let's we already removed boost. Good. No, we did not. Let's remove this here. And that's it. Looks like it has a lot of libraries already in there with different kinds, combinations. A lot of files. My gosh, how many files are in there? Good. Then, yeah, let's see what happens if I configure this now. Let's see. Okay, so it still cannot find boosts. So we probably need to, yeah, find package. So let's take a look at the installation here. Oh, it put a boost here. Include lib. Include boost lib. Lib boost. I don't like that this is now spread on two folders here. Give me... I do wonder if this does more than... Post local, post... cmake module pass. Post on arc. Add boost to environment variables. So we downloaded 14.2, which is not 14.3, which we are using. So I wonder if this even works properly. Boost for Visual Studio 2022. Okay, so Boost 1.71 was released. Was released before Visual Studio 2022. I see. Okay. Okay, so what we can say out of the box, installing pre-built binaries won't work with dyninst. Because probably it doesn't know where to look. So this find boost cmake file is also useless because it doesn't look where boost is installed by default. So that's retarded. But maybe it fails because the boost version we installed is not for this compiler in the latest version of Visual Studio. Yeah. That could also be. Yeah. Oof. How do we do this? Well, we can 8-7. Hmm. 14-3. Yeah, I don't know. I have to say that the way Boost is distributing is trash. So I don't know. The Boost also, they should reconsider how they do it, because it's really trash. What is this bullshit? Detect malware. It's probably false positive, because antivirus softwares are usually also trash softwares, because they use heuristics, and those heuristics, they just do things at random. Protected your PC. Okay. A non-publisher. What was this published by then? It's probably fine. Next. Okay, let's see what this installs. cmake. Hold on. This is from... This is not from this install. This is from something we did last session. No? It dates back. So we can probably remove that. Lib. So the libraries are here. Boost. Well, where are the includes? Here. Includes boost. Boost. Okay, so the include directory is pretty much this. The libs directory is this. Here's the same. Okay. Then have I? Eventually we'll figure it out. If it takes days or months or years, we will figure this out. Yeah. But yeah, it's suffice to say the boost distribution is trash. Yeah. Would be good if they made improvements to that bullshit. No. Basically, it should just like work like any other library. Not do some special sauce. Okay, so now the question is, do we need to set some folders or something? Package routes. Package routes. Okay. So if I understand correctly, we add a path here and call it boost route. And then we put the path here to local. Let's try this one first. But my expectation is that this won't work because it won't understand where the include directory is and where the lib directory is. That's my expectation. This won't work. But let's try. Let's see what happens. Doesn't work. Okay, so let's open. Let's open chat. So the question would be, how can we tell dyninst in cmake where to find a pre-compiled precompiled boost? Find precompiled boost libraries and headers. cmake prefix pass. Boost route here. Oh. Okay, let's try this one then. Boost. root. Okay, let's try that. Let's delete this one here. Remove. Okay, so I have now a boost root here. Let's see what this does. Same error. Okay, so this one suggests to set these. So that, but that means you need to hardwire the bullshit in cmake script. That's stupid. That's really stupid, because then it's only working on one specific machine or Windows machines. This here, stupid. Set boost include the library ds static lips multi-threaded. Use static lips. Use multi-threaded. Okay, what happens if we set this one here? So there's tools. No cmake. Tools cmake. Yeah, but we had this thing and this would probably fail. Yeah, this will fail, pretty sure. So there is this here, boost here, and then if we put this folder here, then this will very likely fail. Right. Yeah, this is stupid. This is stupid. I don't know what to do. My suspicion is that precompiled libs will also not work for this thing, because this find boost script just won't know where to look, because find boost does not really find boost. It's just called find boost, but it doesn't really find it. Because these people don't really know how to distribute software. That's a problem. I don't know. The suggestions from ChatGPT, they also don't match what we see in here. Like this one says something completely different. It says boost root there and root. It never mentions boost there at all. There's no boost there in here. Is there? Oh, there is Marcus Advanced. Mark as advanced. I don't know what that even means. Okay, so boost deer not found. So what if we go here and we set local boost tools cmake config. What then? Then we have this problem again. We know this already. Version unknown. Right. Which then, if we change this to no version here, so we remove this, then we will get another error again, right? Oh, now it changed this here for some reason. Look at that. Just on its own, because cmake did know better than we did. Yeah. It decided that whatever we said before should not prevail, because why should it, right? It's better to just reset it and delete our input, because why trust the human, right? Just reset it. Yeah. All this software is just trash. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Okay, so here we got this problem again. We have seen this as well before already. So nothing really changes. Pre-built stuff has the same problems. I suspect the problem at the core is this find boost or dyninst boost cmake. It's set up in a way where it's not compatible with an actual boost installation anywhere. The question is, how can we deal with this? We would need to somehow avoid calling boost config. I wonder if that is possible. So it never calls find boost file. It just knows where boost is. That could be one path to success. So we don't actually want to call these dyninst cmake files because they're trash. Instead, it should just know, aha, there's boost, use it, okay, done. How will we do that? I don't know. I don't know. It's set boost variables. My expectation is that this won't work. This won't work. No. because it will still call into find boost, and then it all falls apart. So that doesn't work. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. Okay, for starters, let's delete this folder here. Okay. Okay, so my suspicion is dyninst. Can we maybe if we hold on, if we what happens if we comment out this and we put in the boost, yeah, this one. And we put a boost here, whole boost. Yeah. Okay. And then we configure. Okay, then we click on generate. and done. Good. Then we click on reload here. Okay, so now we have all these boost libraries in here, right? So what happens if we compile this now? Stop. Let's say we compile this. What happens then? Will it build all these boost libraries correctly? Let's see. Because if it does, if it builds all the boost libs here, yeah, everything, then I think what we need to do is we need to fix dyninst to properly use the boost that we have built here and not use this find boost cmake where it tries to do something and find something that never works. So maybe the fix is actually not to be found in boost, but actually in dyninst, right? So if this compiles correctly and everything is great, then yeah, I think we should look into that. Maybe we have to make some more changes to dyninst to get this to compile. Yeah, we can try that. I don't know yet what, but we probably need to stop calling this find boost thingy. Yeah. Leaf is compiling very slowly. I wonder, is there actually an overview of like the building? Windows. Yeah, it looks like Boost already done compiling, but Leaf is still lagging behind because it's not building in multi-threaded. It's building single-threaded. Yeah. Makes it extra slow. I suspect Boost is compiling multi-threaded, so it was pretty fast. Maybe. Okay, there's one fail. Cannot open file boost.lib. Boost.lib. I see. Is that because I suspect it's because of this here. So we need these guys here, right? Let me see. It was in here, these guys. The question is, how do we put them there? I don't know if it boosts. We can try different things. Let's try this. Okay, that has somehow worked. Okay, let me see. So if we go now here, it should show linker, right? Linker input, additional dependencies. No. Let's go to debug here. Edit, boost, atomic, chrono, datetime, file system, thread timer. Yeah. So this works correctly. It's in depths. Debug. Yeah. So this looks correct. So it links against those 6 boost libraries now. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Maybe we put this into different lines. Okay, so boost is compiled. It's not yet, I think include directory we also need to set. Hold on. Where would that be? Oh. Set libs. Where are the include files? It's probably just this here. But hold on. It should be in like an include boost folder, something like this. How do we get that? Boost install. Boost config. What is that? Boost install. My suspicion is that we need to boost with cmake. We already established that this doesn't work, so don't bother with this bullshit. Maybe this is all targeted to Linux and there it just works, but on Windows it doesn't. Maybe that's possible. Because these people typically only test on Linux, right? I wonder. So basically, what we need is we needed to generate the include folder with the symbol linking on those include files, header files. But the question is how do we do that? I don't know. There probably is a way. I would have imagined that here one of these cmake scripts is doing this boost install, but the question is, can we just run it from here maybe? Let's see. My suspicion is that it won't work. We already tried yesterday some things and nothing worked. Let's see. So if we go here after fetch content, we do include boost root, and then we call here tools boost install, right? Okay, let's see what this does. There we go. My suspicion is that there will be errors in the boost install cmake because these things don't work out of the box. There we go. So it cannot find boost message, right? What if we search for this? cmake error at boost install. Boost install cmake include could not find requested file. Yeah. Okay, let's search for cmake boost generate include directory. Okay, this is all trash here. I don't know what to say here. This won't work. cmake boost generates include directory. Because typically what will happen is here in those libs, if we go to any include, they all here expect the include to be in the boost folder, right? So basically, well, what we could do is we just include each single lib, each of this here, include. Yeah, that we could do. Will be a bit of monkey work because there are humongous amount of folders. Um, okay, how about we... Where are we? Here. So can we maybe say target include directory boost public? So right now, when we look at here, MachO analyzer, then we will see here, include directories. Oh, it actually already includes. Hold on. Huh, look at that. Okay, actually that's already covered. Look at that. Includes are there. Okay. Okay, cool. Then we don't need that. Okay, cool. Okay, looks like boost is covered. Now the question is, how do we get dyninst to recognize boost? That's a big question. Yeah, I don't know. We would need to somehow boost. If not target boost. Include guards global. Boost headers. System. Okay, so we need to I think we need to say, hey, don't use the script. Use boost from boost, if not target boost. Add library. Dyninst boost. I don't know how to. Oh, wait, maybe we can ask ChatGPT. I have boost 1.87.0 compiling in Visual Studio 2022 now. How can under the name I have boost this compiling Visual Studio now under the name boost, under the, what is it called? Yeah, I don't know what this name is here called. Like, what is this? Declare. Let's see. Declare. Name. I now have boost compiling Visual Studio under the name boost. How can we use this? How can we use this for dyninst instead of using its find package logic to find boost elsewhere? You need to override its default find package boost logic. This sounds like the wrong suggestion again. Boost found on. Okay, that's new. But this won't work because we have multiple include directories. This doesn't work. Okay, let's try this though. This is new. Then we put this back in here. And we put this here. Use boost, boost found on. Okay. And then we put this in here. Let's see what this does. I'm a bit skeptical of this, but maybe. Let's see. There are errors. Yeah, let's run it through and then actually press configure in here, and we get better errors to look at. What is going on here? Jesus. Huh? I don't know what's happening right now. It does something. There's some error. It somehow does a lot of work for going through a lot of errors. Yeah. Okay, how about we cancel the build because it's going totally off the rails here. Okay, so there's a boost found thingy. It doesn't work, right? Boost found, it doesn't really work. These are all trash suggestions. Let's click on configure here once more to get a clean error. Okay, so we have our classic error here with the version blah blah. Okay, so it's still using find package. So this boost found, this doesn't do anything, right? Target link libraries, dyninst private. Yeah. Okay, let's do that. That's a good idea, I think. Target link libraries, private boost. Actually, we can do this. Private, these guys. Let's do the formatting the same way here. And then maybe, I think we can then remove these guys here. Right. Okay, but it will still call this find boosts bullshit. So the question is, can we avoid this somehow? Let's see. So there is dyninst. Well, where's this called? Platform maybe. Let's see. Boosts. No, it's not in here. Let's go through all these files here. Config maybe. Yeah, here include dyninst boost. So what happens if we just comment this out for now? Let's do that for now. Let's see. Configure. It still calls find boost. How? How? Why is it so pedantic on calling this bullshit? It's remarkable. Is it called anywhere else then? Dyninst boosts. Oh, that is weird. It's weird that it has no match. It found nothing. That is ridiculous. Now Notepad++ also bugging. Was it not? Dyninst cmake. Man, this trash software. Dyninst boost. Why is it not? It's clearly here. It's inside the cmake. .cmake. What? Okay, let's put filters all files. Ah, that works. Okay. Okay, but we commented out. So we commented out this include, but it is still It is still including this file. How? Where? Why? Why is it doing that? Dyninst boost. Dyninst boost. So this is weird. How is this possible? We have it commented out. It's not supposed to include this file anymore, but it's still including it. How is this possible? How is this possible? I don't get it. Why is this so buggy? It's still including that. Yeah. Okay. What do we do now? Why is this file called .in? TPLS, I think it means templates. Templates. And I suspect that you can overwrite these somehow. How can we overwrite the original, let's say, several options. Copy the file, copy it to your project, modify the file. Overwrite the path, use to prepend the path. How would how would dyninst see the custom cmake as opposed to its own? cmake module pass. Aha. So I suspect we need to here modules. Okay, then how about we take this guy. And we put dyninst boost here. Then we go to, let's take this guy. Let's do, let's delete all this, put a message, hello, yeah, hello. Okay, and then we go here, we put this here again. We go to, no, we go here and we put this here. Okay, so these two didn't work, so we remove them again. Okay, so now the goal is to override the original dyninst boost cmake. Let's see. Let's see if that is of any use. Nope. It's still using this dyninst boost. It always wants to use this one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so okay, so far a lot of problems with this dyninst boost cmake. The question is, can we override it or not? Place the custom file, copy dyninst boost file from, copy it as needed. Make cmake look in your custom directory before it searches the dyninst source tree. Set cmake module path. Find dyninst provided third-party library modules without tainting the user's path. Yeah. List insert. It puts it at 0 position at the beginning. I see. Insert cmake module path 0. So this one is priority loads, then priority path. Yeah, but it's weird that even when we comment it out, that it still includes it. I don't understand that. I don't understand why is this working in such mysterious ways. Okay, so we can't override this. Tainting. Dyninst cmake module path. If we include here, dyninst boost, what would happen then? Oh, it does print hello. Okay, so it does know that the file is there. And somehow the printing also works now, which didn't work the last time we tried it. Okay, so what if here, instead of insert, we do append here, append. Would this allow us to overwrite the file? Let's see. No. No. we need to somehow figure out how we can prevent dyninst from calling this one file. That's a question, and I don't understand how we can do that. Why can we not prevent this from happening? This is what I don't understand. cmake. Okay, what if we renamed this file to, I don't know, some garbage, yeah? What happens then? Configure. Okay. So by renaming it or removing it, it no longer wants to load it and it doesn't fail there anymore. Now there is another cmake file which will fail, but that we would have to deal with afterwards. Okay, that's interesting. So this works, renaming it, but that's not a good solution. It's not a good solution at all. Why? So I don't understand. We comment out. We don't want this to be loaded, and we comment it out here in here, but it has no effect. Changes to this file seem to have no effect. Why is that? Why is that? Dyninst config. What does it mean if there is an in file? In. What does this mean? In. What happens if we take this file and we put that into our modules and we name it like that? And then we comment out here this. What happens then? Oh, we do this. Current list here. Well, this probably won't work because here these folders are now wrong. Yeah, I guess. Let's put a comment here. Custom dyninst config.cmake. And this is custom dyninst boost.cmake. Okay, and then we go here and we remove this again. Okay, let's see what happens. My expectation is nothing. Yeah, so now it tries to load still this bullshit. I really don't understand how this I don't understand. Like when we make changes to this file, it doesn't recognize it. But then the question is, where does this come from? Like it must be somewhere, but it's not in any file. So how does it know that it wants to load this file? I don't understand. This is extremely confusing. There's some magic went that says, hey, load this file, even though we don't want to load it. I don't understand. We can't overwrite the cmake files. That's bad. I don't know what to say. Okay, what is TBB? What is that bullshit? TBB library. Threading building blocks. Oh boy. What the hell? What's that part? Dyninst, cmake, GPS. Okay, what is in here? Okay, Intel threading building blocks. Okay. Question is, where do we find this? This one doesn't look like it belongs to Intel. Official Intel. Threading building blocks. This repository looks really suspicious. 1 TBB. UXL Foundation, what is that? Okay, so if we take github.com 1tbb.git. Okay, let's make a copy of this guy. Let's put this here. Let's put this there. Third party, 1tbb. Make available, 1tbb. There we go. And we put here private 1tbb, 1tbb. Okay. Let's see if that compiles. Does it actually have cmake? Yeah, here. Okay, let's see what this does. I should have not pressed F7, by the way. Let's revert that. Cancel. Yeah. This stuff. Build has been cancelled. Great. Okay, let's press configure here. Okay. Then let's take the liberty and we rename these guys for now so that they are not picked up anymore. Yeah. Then let's configure one more time. In an ideal case, if we remove these scripts, if we can get it to compile, then I think that would already be a big win. And then we can figure out afterwards how we elegantly get rid of these cmake scripts. Worst case, we have to make changes to this library, which we already did anyway. Okay. Include could not find requested file. the fuck is this? Okay, I understand this error. I don't understand this one here. The target name is reserved or not valid, such as generator expressions, may result in undefined behavior. What the fuck is that bullshit? I touched nothing in that regard, nothing. And it's already erroring. My gosh, is this bad? Dyninst elf utils .cmake add library. The target name elf utils is reserved. Okay, so somehow it's complaining about this rename, but it's not complaining about this rename. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. It's so weird. Maybe it's because now it does actually find this file here. Maybe. Let's create another empty TBB. Let's remove this one here. TBB. Okay, let's see what this does. Okay, that error is gone, but there are more errors. Okay, but we are making progress. So what is this? The target name is reserved or not valid. This is so retarded. Now the question is, where do we find that string? Here. Provide a dummy target on other platforms. To me, it looks like they never tested this stuff. They never tested it on non-Linux. Yeah. Return. So what do we do about this? Target name is reserved or not valid. Let's search for this error. The target name is reserved. Commas. Dyninst utils interface. Imported. Interface can be imported. Okay, so how about we change that to imported then? Imported. Let's see what that does. Utils. Configure. called with imported but no library type. Interface imported. Okay, let's do that. Interface imported. Oh my gosh. Okay, that error is gone. That's good. Let's do it in the other ones as well. Lib Iberti. Dyninst cmake lib Iberti. Do the same here. And what is the other one? threaddb. threaddb. There we go. Is there anywhere else? Well, if it's not complaining, let's not touch the others. Okay, let's do the configure. Okay, there's one more error. Target link libraries cannot specify link libraries for target dyninst, which is not built by this project. Cannot specify link libraries for target dyninst. Cannot specify link libraries for target dyninst, which is not built by this. Aha. I see. So I think what it complains about is, where is it? Here, I think it's complaining about this one here. It cannot be here. So the question is, how do we do it then? Dyninst. Do we have to specify like so? Like so? We can try. But maybe it has to be happening inside here, right? That could be, yeah. So that we have to put it inside. So if this doesn't work, and it doesn't, let's try the following. We comment out this one. And we let's open a new folder. Okay, let's call this implement custom. Okay, let's take this and put it here. So this is boost. And put this here. And here we put this. Yeah, maybe this works. Maybe we can leave it like this. Okay, let's see what this gives. Okay. Cannot specify link libraries for target dyninst, which is not built by this project. Huh. Link libraries for target dyninst. Why not? What is the project name then? Dyninst library. Target name. Dyninst library. Targets. Add library. Dyninst boost. So this dyninst boost, is this referenced anywhere? No. So dyninst is not a target. But then the question is, what targets do we have? What targets do we need to slap it on? Interface. So we have here targets. Maybe when we compile this out here, configure. So these are the libraries. These are the libraries. Okay, so the configure passes now, but I assume that it will fail to compile because it will not know where boost is, right? Unless well, let's see what happens if we now click on generate. maybe there will be errors, maybe not. But I expect latest there will be compiler or linker errors. This won't work yet because it won't know where boost. Okay, it already fails here. Yeah. So this links to that, but the target was not found. Oh. Okay. Um, cmake. Let's remove this. Then we configure again. Okay, configure done, generate. I still expect errors here. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so target common links to dyninst TBB, but the target wasn't found. Yeah. So it looks like we need to create this dummy. And then in this dummy, we need to link TBB and the same for boost. So there is a boost headers and a boost. Yeah. So we need to create those libs. Oh boy. How do we do that? Okay, but we're making progress here. That's for sure. So here's the original. So it creates this one here, the boost headers. Boost include DS. Interface. Target link libraries. Boost libraries interface. Boost interface. Boost library. Compile definitions. it looks as if you can override things here, but we have tried a lot of things already and none of these things work because we never can get past this here, right? This will always error, always. No matter what we do, it will never find the package for boost, never. No matter what we dial in there, it will never find the package. So this is the end boss here, this thing. Behind, I don't know. Okay, but what we can do is we can say so we say if not target dyninst boost, add library, boost interface imported, target link libraries, and then we put this target link library, this. I don't know if it has to be interface. Yeah, let's leave it on interface then. Yeah, so it's interface boosts. Yeah. And I don't think we need this. Compile definitions, boost. Okay, interface, this, multi-index, whatever that is. Okay, and here we do add library, boost headers. And this one is only, oh, boost headers, just the headers. I don't know how we just add the headers. I don't know. I don't know if that's possible here. I would say we have to add the whole thing. Boost. I don't know how else we would do that. Boost headers, whatever that is. Target compile. Okay, I effectively simplifies boost headers target. How would that work? Boost headers. I don't know. Simplified boost headers target. Let's see. Boost headers. Is that a thing? Let's see. Boost H. I don't see a H. There's no headers. Third atomic. JSON. Okay. Log math. I don't see any boost headers there. Okay, so for starters, let's just put the whole thing, which will basically link against everything. By the way, can we maybe include directories, link libraries? Huh. Yeah, I don't know. Let's try this for starters. Let's say configure. Generates. Okay, so ideal case, the boost errors would be gone and there would only be the TBB one left. Whether that will be the case, I am not sure. I would say it's 50-50. Yeah, 50-50. Huh. Okay, that actually looks good. Yeah, so it's only the TBB one left. Alias. A fine package core is missing from import. An alias target is missing. Huh. Alias target. How do you make an alias target? cmake. Man, why is it always typing there? cmake alias target. Huh? Add library. Oh, alias, I see. Alias target. So my suspicion is that we could make the boost headers an alias of boost. Maybe. No. But it's okay, we can leave it like this. It's closer to the original, right? Okay, then let's remove this stuff here. Yeah, let's remove this stuff. Yeah, so this one, I mean, this one will contain all libraries now. I don't know how to do this with just headers. I don't know. Okay, how about we make this like this, boost. Right. By the way, hold on. Oh, we removed this here by accident. This one should stay. All right. Boost headers. Okay, let's keep that. Then for the TBB one, we also make a copy of this one. We put this here. And we delete all this. Delete this. I don't know what's going on here. Interface TPP. Do we need this here? Maybe not. Just like this. Maybe that's enough. TPP. Maybe. Let's see. Configure. Hold on. I think this one, we have to rename it to 1 TBB, I think. No? TBB. Let me see. I expected this errors here because it won't know what this is. Yeah. What we can do is actually generating is done. That's surprising. I wonder if we should rename this one here to TBB. This here, TBB. We are determined to get it to run. And then we will figure out that the library is useless. Yeah. Okay, let's see what this gives us now here in Visual Studio. Okay, we have 219 libraries now. Great. Great. Okay. Jesus Christ. All sorts of tests. I suspect they belong to Boost. No. TBB. Oh boy. Okay. Let's look at dyninst API. So include directory is boost. Let me see. So this includes all boost stuff now. Yeah, and one TBB as well. Yeah, and linker. Where do we see the linked? Here. Linker. Oh boy. Boost. Yeah, so a bunch of boost libraries and this, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, now the question is, will this compile? Let's see. I think there's a 50-50 chance it doesn't. Let's see. Now the bad thing is that it now compiles all these projects here, all these test projects. Oh, there we go. Errors. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, so we are. That's not looking good. Let's see, why is it complaining? Size. Why is it complaining? What? I mean, it's error. It does error on basically everything. Absolutely everything. What's the problem? Why is it erroring on everything? Return. Cannot convert from this to int. Poof. Was this code ever tested by anyone? Like here is the semicolon is missing. How? What is going on? NT headers. Like how was this ever working? I wonder. Like clearly this cannot compile because there's a semicolon missing. What the hell? So many compile errors. What the hell? Dyninst export. Why is this failing? Dyninst export. Okay, let's try to fix stuff here. This is compiler specific, maybe. It's a GNU thingy. I mean, how many compile errors do we have now? Let's see. Well, we don't see the count, but it's okay. But the errors seem to be localized in dyninst. My suspicion is it was never tested on Windows. No one has ever run it. I mean, otherwise it wouldn't fail to compile, right? So let's try. I mean, I guess a lot of these errors are just the same thing, right? Every time the same thing. So let's try to fix and see how far we can get. I don't know yet about this export thingy. Let's ask ChatGPT. What is the equivalent for Windows 10 and 11 and 12 and 13 and 14 and 15 and 16 and 17 and 18 and 19 and 20 and 21 and 22 and 23 and 24 and 25 and 26 and 27 and 28 and 29 and 30 and 31 and 32 and 33 and 34 and 35 and 36 and 37 and 38 and 39 and 40 and 41 and 42 and 43 and 44 and 45 and 46 and 47 and 48 and 49 and 50 and 51 and 52 and 53 and 54 and 55 and 56 and 57 and 58 and 59 and 60 and 61 and 62 and 63 and 64 and 65 and 66 and 67 and 68 and 69 and 70 and 71 and 72 and 73 and 74 and 75 and 76 and 77 and 78 and 79 and 80 and 81 and 82 and 83 and 84 and 85 and 86 and 87 and 88 and 89 and 90 and 91 and 92 and 93 and 94 and 95 and 96 and 97 and 98 and 99 and 100 and 101 and 102 and 103 what's the equivalent for Windows of the for Windows for the next line of C++ code. Decal spec export, yeah. Windows decal spec. If def, yeah. Yeah, let's do this. There we go. Okay, let's try compiling again. Yeah. So lots of warnings. Yeah. Okay, let's pick the next thing. It probably looks more than it really is. Probably just a few things. Template declaration are only permitted at global namespace. What is that? Template declarations are only permitted at global namespace or class scope. Huh? It's a function. Template function. What's the problem here? Huh? Template declarations are only permitted at global namespace or class scope. I've never seen this compile error before. What is the problem? Generic ref class, what? Template class int main, huh? I don't see the problem here. Why is this? Why is this illegal? I don't understand. Type declarations are only permitted at global namespace or class scope. You cannot declare a generic or template class outside a global or namespace scope. If you make your generic or template declarations in an include file, make sure the include file is at global scope. Okay. So does this mean that this file here is not, so if not defined Windows, define I don't see the problem here. I don't see the problem. It looks to be in global scope. There's no class, unless this header is included inside the function, but that seems very unlikely. Very unlikely. Yeah. So how does this work then? Okay, let's try to fix something else first then. What about this one here? Okay, why is this? Cannot convert from this type, which is a handle, 8 bytes, to integer. Okay, we probably need to have a static cast. Static cast int. Well, yeah, it doesn't work because this one is this one is 8 bytes and this one is 4 bytes. Poof. Yeah. Yeah. Static casts. Invalid type conversion. Oh. So this handle, it's a void. Void to integer. Yeah. So it requires reinterpret casts. Let's add a comment. Dangerous loss of data. If defined MSC version. MSC version. Handler. Thread ID handler. How's this used? Maybe the thread ID should be 64. Oh, it's not used. Well, if it's not used, then who cares? Is it really not used? Let's see. It seems to be unused. Unused. Is unused. Okay. Let's get to the next one. Pointer truncation. Warning. Warning is okay. Okay, what is this thing here? Huh? Okay, this one looks strange. To me, it looks like that this headers file is included at the wrong place. Headers.h. Include headers.h. Yeah. Okay, let's look at all of these. Oh boy. Oof. That's not so many. So this one is. Can we see which lib? Lib. dyninst.lib. I don't know which. So this one looks fine. This one looks also fine. This is fine. This one is fine. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 So far looks fine. What's the problem then? I don't see the problem. It looks perfectly fine, but it somehow fails. Why? So if there is a compile error in std, then this means this file is included somewhere incorrectly. But where? Boah. So debug common has error. Let's look at this. Debug common. There we go. What is the problem here? Debug common. I don't see any problem here. It looks okay. Okay, well, let's look at some other pragma. Pragma, unknown pragma, GCC. Warning. Okay, how do we deal with that? Unknown pragma. Ugu bugu. What is the preprocessor to detect GCC compiler? GNUC. Okay. Okay. Then how about we just say here if def this and if. Okay. There we go. Let's see if this one is used elsewhere. It's used in boost. It is used in here as well, yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, then we can probably do that. What is this here? Dereferencing null pointer. What? Well, only if it fails allocating. Oh boy, so many compile errors. What is this? Redefinition. Oh man. And T headers. Okay, here we are missing this. By the looks of it, yeah. As printf, LX requires an argument of time unsigned long, but has type address. LX address is 8. So it should be LLX, right? LLX. Yeah. Okay, what do we have here? It's just a warning. Let's compile again. Oh man. How can a library be so broken? Okay, this one should also be LLX. This as well. This as well. This as well. What do we have here? Member destructor. Member of DLL interface class may not be declared with DLL interface. Huh? Member of DLL interface class may not be declared with DLL interface. Okay. Okay. So if yeah. Okay. So does that mean we have to remove this? Yeah. Oops. Okay. What about these guys then? Let's see if that compiles. Okay, cannot open include file boost list of. Oh boy. Boost assign. I suspect that's because it uses an older boost version, and in the older version it was like this, assign. Let's see. So we have boost this, libs, assign, include, boost, and there is assign, list of, vector, and set. Right. Okay, then let's look at here. Libs, assign, include, boost, assign. There's a list of. It is here. Boost, assign, list of, std, vector, set. What's the problem then? Boost, assign, std, vector. It's here. Why is it not finding it then? So this is part of, I don't know. 11 is common. What is common? This one. Common. Boost, assign. Let's look here. Generally, include directories. There we go. Edit. Boost. Aha. It doesn't include the assign thingy. Yeah. Why not? Okay. Okay, it's something we need to figure out how we can punch in the include for the assign library here. Somehow it is missing. That's unfortunate. Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah. 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 Boost a sign. Boost a sign. Yeah, okay, so maybe it is as simple as, where are we? Here. Maybe here we need to say boost assign explicitly, because by maybe this boost default, it doesn't have all in there, just like a some set. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see what this gives. What also is possible, that it should be, I have another idea. It's possible, man, it's possible that this is not part of this one here. So common doesn't use boost headers, but it uses this one here. And this one is missing the assign here. Yeah, that could be. Yeah. Yeah. The simple fix would be to just like also set this to boost. So basically both boost and boost headers have access to the whole entirety of boost, and they can pick whatever they like from it, right? That would be the simplest, I guess. Okay, so it is compiling. Let's see if we still have this error. Probably. Actually, no, it seems to be gone. Not sure. 199, what is that? Boost lock. Oh. Dyninst void press. Let's compile again. Common void. Data with thread storage duration may not have DLL interface. Well, dyninst visibility. Compiler annotations. Compiler annotations. Yeah. So to me it looks like this one does not know about dyninst visibility. Let's put it in there. And here, this one is including headers. What is that? Headers dot h, and that one. Yeah. Okay, then let's also include here. What was it? The visibility. I already forgot this here. Dyninst visibility.h. Okay, let's try that. Okay, here's some warnings. There's linker error, dyninst.lib. Why is this failing though? Cannot open file boost.lib. Cannot open file boost.lib. Okay, so here we've got a bunch of warnings. Here we still got an error. What is the error? Redefinition. DLL export. Let's comment this out. ASM, undeclared identifier. Undeclared identifier. MSvc inline assembler ASM. If I don't know what to say here. If what is a which macro can we use to detect MSvc compiler? MSvc. MSvc where? If MSvc where, then let's say here to do Windows, to do MSvc inline assembler else, and if okay, what do we have here? Pointer truncation from void to unsigned long. Oh boy. Pointer truncation from void star. It's a warning. Okay, doesn't matter much then. What do we have here? Member of be declared. Okay, let's put this, comment this out. There we go. Okay, let's compile and see where we are. Still a lot of errors. Multi-index, boost multi-index. Boost. Multi-index. Let's go to cmake. No. Multi-index. Okay, how about we take a break here? Has already been 3 hours 40. And then we try to fix more next session, and maybe we can get it into a compilable state. Unclear. This library is pretty broken, I would say. Okay, but we can try to fix it up. But my suspicion is that once we have fixed all compile errors, that there will be runtime errors as well. That's my suspicion. So maybe this is an uphill battle and it just never will be working. It's certainly possible. But it would be a good step to get it to compile, and then maybe, yeah, we will see. I would say fixing the compile errors is one of the easier things. Fixing the cmake is hard. And fixing runtime things, that would be the hardest, I would say. Yeah. Good. I think I will take a break here. Then I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.